If you often find yourself minimizing windows one by one just to see your desktop, there's a much cleaner way to do it. In this video, I will show you how to peek at your desktop with a single click on the wallpaper using a small utility called PeekDesktop. PeekDesktop is a lightweight portable tool created by Scott Hanselman that brings macOS click wallpaper to reveal behavior to Windows 10 and 11. It's a simple, no-fuss utility for those who prefer navigating their desktop without extra keyboard shortcuts. To get started, go to the Releases section on GitHub. Link is down in the description. You will see two builds: WinX64 for most Intel and AMD PCs, and WinARM64 for ARM-based devices like the latest Snapdragon laptops. Click on the WinX64 to start downloading the zip folder. Once downloaded, move the folder to a permanent spot like your Documents folder. Extract the zip folder, and then run the executable. In this case, ignore the Microsoft Defender SmartScreen pop-up, click on the More Info link, and then select Run Anyway. Once installed, you will see a small icon appear in your system tray. By default, clicking any empty area of your wallpaper will now hide all open windows to reveal the desktop. Right-click the tray icon to see your options. You can set the app to run at startup, so it's always ready. You can also change the behavior from a single click to a double click if you find yourself triggering the peek accidentally. In addition to this, you can also select peek on taskbar click if you don't have any room at all on the wallpaper to click. One click on the taskbar closes all the windows. There is also an experimental flyaway mode. This changes the animation style for how windows disappear. It's a small aesthetic touch, but the main goal remains the same: get into your files or icons quickly and getting back to work just as fast. You can always revert the change by going back to the tray and selecting Show Desktop. Regarding updates, there's an option for manually doing this by clicking on Check for Updates. A good to know fact is that PeekDesktop doesn't change how Windows handles memory or performance. It's strictly a UI utility. It doesn't require admin rights in most setups, making it a safe, low-impact way to customize your workflow. If you like the macOS style of desktop interaction, PeekDesktop is an honest, bloat-free way to get it on Windows. If this practical tool helped you, feel free to subscribe to Libretechia. Stay reachable, and I will see you in the next one.